Hi, I'm Scott. You're in the shop with Flytowel, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Hal Hanger up here at the top of your ZÜCA Cart to be able to hang your Flytowel Junior from. These things are pretty cool. Let's get started. Okay, so we have our Hal Hanger here, and we want to install this right here where this screw is going in. So the first thing we need to do is unscrew this. And this is going to be either a 5mm or a 6mm, depending on your cart. It could be either. This one happens to be a 6mm. On mine, I'm going to go ahead and turn my putter clips out of the way so they don't get in the way for this. But just going to loosen this up. If you haven't taken this off in a while of your cart, or maybe never, the screw might be pretty tight in there. So just be prepared for that. But it should come out pretty easy once you get it loosened up. Once it's loose, go ahead and take your Hal Hanger. I'm going to turn my putter clips a little bit. Take your Hal Hanger, throw it in there, and go ahead and put the screw back in. And you can see it's going to hang right there, and it locks itself in place really well too. So we're going to tighten this back up. Real simple to do. Once we have it nice and tight, back in the same position it was, your Hal Hanger is installed. Fits in there nicely. Our phone mount works with it just fine. And our putter clips work with it great as well. So it's a perfect spot to hang your Flytowel Junior because it clips right on there like that. So there you go. Hal Hanger is all installed. Shout out to Hal Mundy for creating such an awesome product. Extremely useful up here at the top of your cart. You're going to love it. I really dig this because I can still use my putter clips. Have my putters right up here at the top of my cart. And I still have my Flytowel Junior here as well. So thanks for checking out this installation video. I'll catch you next time.